Shop Talk. We're looking at a very special 797 Super, highly modified McCulloch chainsaw. This one features a 36-inch, let me make sure on that, looks like a 36-inch organ bar. 36-inch roller nose bar. The bar's in good shape, still see the logo on the end of it there. See the organ logo, it has very little use. This saw has been rebuilt and put away many years ago, and it was custom built by McCulloch for some heavy duty cutting. And we'll show you some of the unique features it has. It's a 797 Super, and of course first thing you notice, the starter's on the left side. See that? Has that polished aluminum back cover, always a sign of a highly modified chainsaw. That's a 404 52AJ used chain also. Let me show you inside here. You can buy this kit to change this over to run a wall burrow carburetor, and that's what's been done with this one. And once you get this carburetor on here, it really makes this chainsaw run. I did check, the motor's in very good shape. I took the muffler off. It is a steel sleeve, and you can tell by the underside here it's not that old a cylinder. You can see right here it's been modified and rebuilt. Another feature they did to it was it has the 125 side cover on it. See that? And the CP directional muffler, which was always a nice feature for these high performance saws. You see the round CP muffler. Just a really nice running vintage muscle saw. You probably won't see many of these. Very rare.